All right, when we left off last time, we were able to put the carousel on there and it was working okay, but we still needed to fix some things. One of the things is we need to move it back over to the right. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's call up our Sublime text, and the last time we moved it to the right by using this pull right, and we're going to use that again. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. All right, so here's our carousel, and our carousel has a class, just like the image had a class, and that's carousel slide. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add that additional class of pull right. All right, let's see if we broke it. Let's file save and then refresh. There it goes. All right, so now it's moving right. We do have this other issue too. If you notice that it has those little dots on it, we don't need to have those dots. So let's go ahead and remove the dots. Okay, these are the dots right here. These are the indicators. So what we'll do is let's go ahead and comment them out so that if it completely breaks, we can uncomment them and go back in. But that should be what takes care of that. So let's do file and save. And then let's go back and refresh. Okay, now the dots are gone. The other thing is we wanted this rounded. So let's go back and also fix that. Okay, we'll go into Sublime Text. And we're going to use also, for that, we're going to use the same thing we use for the picture. So we had this image, circle, image, responsive. All right, so we want the image to be responsive, and we also want it to be in a circle. So we'll just go ahead and copy that. And then down here, we're going to do that for each of our images. So we don't do it for the carousel. We do it actually for the images. So we'll have image, and then class equals, quote, quote, and space. And then we'll go ahead and paste this in. Great. All right, and then the next thing we have to do is then take this and put it in each of the images. So we'll do Control C. Okay, and then Control V, space. Control V, space. Control V, space. Okay, file and save. And then we'll refresh. Nice. Okay, so now we have a picture that's rounded, or a carousel. And then once we get this really small, it actually didn't get responsive. Wonder why that was. It should have gotten smaller. Let's see if there's anything else we might be missing. No, IMG RS responsive. That should have worked. All right, well, we'll take up that in a future video. All right, that's it for this one. It's a short one, and let's save it.